school's out, what's a kid to do? This is always a fun time of year where it's warm outside and there's so many more things we can be doing. So we want to help to give you some ideas of things your kids could do this year in a variety of different areas. So first, let's talk through some things that we typically think summer gives us time for, which is work. So for kids, some things as they get older, they can mow lawns, they could go up and down your street block, or maybe even if you have a garden, they can help with that. It may not even be something that they're getting paid to do, but they're helping, they're learning to work with their hands. I know where I grew up, there were things like hauling hay, or even things like harvesting crops, because it's a farming community, and so we always needed younger people who were strong, who could help get things done on their break. Another area that we typically think of for summer is education. So this could be summer classes that you're trying to get done in the summer so you don't have to take, it can be a shorter period of time, you don't have to take all semester, or maybe it's even things like lessons. We typically think of music lessons, things like this we're trying to get accomplished or get better at. And then the last one is the fun. That's probably the biggest thing we think of. And this is things like swimming or other sports, or also what's really popular is travel. Think of that family vacation. Now from all of these different things, there are different things that their kids take away. So what are the lessons that they learn in each of these? With work, it's really working with their hands. So what is that sense of accomplishment that they get from looking back at the yard they've just mowed or something hard they've just done, seeing all the hay stacked in the barn? Those are things that they learn, and that sense of pride in doing a good job and doing it well. With education, it's that we're always learning. Even as adults, there's always things that we're trying to learn. So we want to constantly be looking for new areas of knowledge. These are things we can teach our kids. With the fun, it's that we need to rest and recharge sometimes. So it may be that your summer looks like one of these or a combination of all of these, but hopefully this helps to think through what you can be teaching your kids this summer in all the activities they're doing.